As we volunteer in far-flung communities and immerse ourselves in the lives of our indigenous people, we discover a lot of challenges that they face every day. One of these is access to education. Many of the children from our minority groups, even before the pandemic started, have a hard time accessing to quality education due to the distance from their respective household to their schools and lack of school facilities and school supplies. I believe that nobody should be left behind. Through the practice of inclusivity, we want to make their life a little bit easier. As we focused our attention to the national COVID response and implemented the minimum health standards and varying quarantine status, we diverted away from our indigenous people. Their access to quality education due to lack of support and school supplies is what we want to focus on.
This pandemic, the professional licensure examination is still ongoing, and as a school council, during the review and examination of our co-students, they've acquired a lot of school materials, especially the pencils. Some of them, after the examination, they just throw it away, but some of them keep them for sentimental value. But in order for them to have it for a higher cost, they can donate these items to this kind of program to help the indigenous people pursue their education. During the project program, we can have several literacy activities such as storytelling and reading and writing activities. We will not just promote inclusivity but also engage the youth to this kind of humanitarian act.